All right, guys, today we're going to be making salmon toast. Now, I'm not a big breakfast person, but every now and then I do enjoy one of these in the morning.
The great thing about this toast is that it's not only for breakfast, but you can also enjoy it for lunch, as a snack, or even dinner.
This is our twist to a salmon toast. Traditionally, you'd be using dill and capers, but instead today we decided to go with cilantro and some chia seeds.
Because cilantro is life, at least for us it is. As far as chia seeds, it has tons of fiber and plenty of protein.
It's also great for your digestive system. Now, for all my avocado lovers out there, you can definitely use that as a spread if you like. We decided to go with cream cheese this time, but keep an eye out, we have an avocado toast coming real soon.
And if you're like me and cooking is not your thing, this is something really easy and quick to put together. Luckily for me, I do have my personal chef, also known as Jay.
Now, if you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
And like always, guys, come and eat with us.